All right, you all, we got another bad creation by Ari. Ari got down on this one. This one is nice. Now, the name of it is called Ari S2E Rush S. It's a nice fitness watch face geared toward working out, but this is definitely a everyday watch face that you can wear any day of the week. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, but you will not get the floating second hand that you see over to your left down at the bottom. But other than that, it's going to have a nice look. It's going to give you digital time with no problem. Now, once the watch face is on, let's check out what we have. First off, up at the top, you're going to get info on your speed. You come down, you're going to get your date, the day of the week, also your month. You're going to get a nice legible digital time dead center. Right up under that, it's going to be your battery info, and you're going to get your step info as well, which is important to most people. And as you can see, 26,000 steps. My job is not playing with me at all. Now with that up under it, you are going to get info on miles walked around. Now this is going to be your information, this meter right here that's colorful on your miles walked around. Over here is going to be your step status info. If you completed your goal like I have, that's where it's going to end. And you can also customize the theme color of that information as well, which I thought was very nice. But I like the look, I'm loving the design, and yes, again, it's geared toward fitness. So if you're into working out, this is the perfect watch face. As of Friday, this one is free for the taking. Hopefully by the time you see this, it is still free. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, enjoy your day and or night, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.